What is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, I got the guy coming over right now. It's December 31st, and it's New Year's Eve, so happy New Year's Eve. Hey, so anyhow, he's going to come over here. He's supposed to be over here in probably about a half hour or so, give or take, and he's going to start hooking up the compressor. Yeah, the 240. Yeah, buddy. Everybody needs 240 in your garage. If you ain't got 240 in your garage, get it, because you're going to need it sooner or later. But anyhow, let's turn this around here and show you what we got going on before he gets here. So I'm not exactly sure if he'll let me videotape him or anything like that. Matter of fact, I may not even ask. I don't know. Some people just don't like it. You know what I mean? But anyhow, he's going to tap into the fuse box here, and we're going to run along the wall. And this is going to be the compressor home over here in the corner. So, with that being said, the new Kobalt will be over here. And I'm going to have to rearrange my garage because, look, man, I got a mess. Mr. Malcolm's always got a mess, though, don't he? So, anyhow, with all this good stuff going on in the garage, hopefully we can start getting things taken care of. Actually, the guy wanted to come over yesterday and do the welding on the Fairmont, but it was my father-in-law. You know, we had to lay him the rest yesterday, and it was mine and the wife's anniversary yesterday. So it was a sad day, but we had a good day, you know. Try to make a positive out of it anyhow. But yeah, so hopefully maybe this weekend he'll get over here and weld this up. And once I get this welded up, look, baby, it's, oh yeah. Start get this thing primed up, painted on the bottom, get the engine part and everything primed up and painted, and then we'll start putting suspension underneath it. Yeah, buddy. So once we get suspension, everything on this thing, I can take it off the rotisserie and start working on the body and start getting that painted and stuff like that, and then we can start worrying about what we're gonna put in this bad boy. You know what I'm saying? I'm still, you know, going back and forth because Ford's got that new Godzilla motor, and I'm thinking about that. It's 7.3. I think that's like a 446 or 445 cubic inch displacement. But we'll see. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to go with this yet. Or I'm still going to build a 408, one of the two. You know, I think the 7.3 has a little bit more options, and I think it'll be a little bit lesser of a build price-wise. You know what I'm saying? So, and maybe one day I'll throw a blower on it or a turbo or something on it. But we'll see. We got a long way before we get to that, don't we? So anyhow, once we get this 240 hooked up and everything, I get the compressor hooked up, I'll bring you back. So with the magic of video, we're back and we got it done. Yeah, you see the plug behind me there? Let's turn this around and see what we got done. I didn't ask him if I could videotape him or anything like that. There's a lot of videos online for that kind of hookup and that. And you can go check those out. And I don't think he really wanted to be taped. So anyhow, let me turn you around and see what we got. Yeah. So this is what we did. This is our box. We took in, like I said, we're gonna run it across the top. Yep, we did a real nice job. Teased me about my TV, so I should have a bigger TV. And then we ran it down here. So this is what we got. We're good to go. Oh my God, that fucker's in there tight. Must be a new plug. There we go. So anyhow, we got that all put up in there, ready to go. Here's the plug. Yeah, buddy. Let's put this back up in there. Yeah. Yeah, man. So we got all hooked up to the compressor. The compressor runs. Oh, baby. Still need to break it in a little bit, so I haven't hooked up any of the plumbing or nothing yet. So, yeah, I'm a happy man. Happy man. Sure enough. So, anywho, I have the big mess to cleaned up. So let me get this stuff cleaned up, and this will be a whole nother video. Let me turn this around. So I'm gonna have to rearrange, and you know, I got other ideas how I want to put stuff and this and that. So we're gonna get all this to rearrange, which, like I said, will be another video. So I appreciate you guys coming by, checking out the 240 plug, the new compressor. You guys are awesome. Have a great rest of your day. And like I said, Happy New Year's Eve, man. Party hardy. Yeah, baby.